those who misbehave on those roads as well. Now, unpaid work civil society organizations have urged the government to put in place mechanisms that will facilitate pay for unpaid domestic work in most households. Led by Roots Kenya, a non-governmental organization, they have decried that the country has been left behind in putting in place structures and avenue to ensure domestic work, especially in households, is paid for. The civil bodies have pointed out that this scenario has led to increased poverty level among women, as well as contributed to increased gender-based violence cases.
Roots Kenya has spearheaded a forum to determine the value of unpaid work in the country. A large population, mainly women, engage in activity that go unpaid, and the valuation is deemed a cause in devising strategies to relieve such uncompensated duties.
That our governments and our society need to recognize the burden of care, that is unpaid care work and domestic work that disproportionately affect women and girls. And part of the recognition begin with measuring the amount of time women and men, boys and girls are spending doing work that is not paid.
Unpaid task remains deeply gendered. Men's unpaid work activity often involve house and vehicle maintenance tasks, whereas women still predominantly engage in and spend more time on unpaid work inside the house, especially in tasks related to care, despite their high rates of labor force participation.
But also, it's not just about recognizing and measuring care work, it's also because we want to campaign for reduction of that work and the rewarding of that work. And there are multiple ways in which we can do that. The best model is articulated in the Sustainable Development Goals, which calls country to invest in public services such as water, health, energy. If we all had water in our household, hakuna mama mungeona akibeba mtungi akienda kuchota maji.
Women and girls undertake more than 75% of unpaid work in the world. In 89% of the households, women and girls perform the majority of household chores.
Another way we can do it is to invest in social protection policy. Women and girls, sometimes men and boys, do a lot of work taking care of sick people, taking care of people living with disability, taking care of the elderly. If we have serious social protection policies, again, we are reducing the time investment that they put doing that important care work.
Roots Kenya, founded in the 1995 after the 4th UN Conference on Women in Beijing, China, partnered with the county gender departments and the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics to see the success of this exercise.
Long time national accounts do not take into account that work. That is why the Bureau is doing the time use survey, I believe. And once the data is out, they'll be able to recognize it in the national account.
Around the world, women do the vast majority of the unpaid work, including childcare, cooking, cleaning, and farming. This unpaid work is essential for household and economics to function, but it is also valued less than paid work. Reporting for KUTV Primetime News, I'm Dohio Karwamba.
That report right there by Kevin takes us to our first short break right here at KUTV Weekend Live.